Have you ever confused between these two sentences? He is a respected person and he is respected him. Let me tell you that. This word respected is a adjective and this respected word is a verb. Let me tell you that this respected word is an adjective, but this respected word is a verb. But how? Because you can say that he is a respected person, which means he is a respected person. People respect this person, but in the same way that he is respected him, which means here is he has he has respected him, which means he has respected somebody. This word is an adjective and this word is a verb. Why? Because respected, for example, he is respected, you can say that it's a article. This word a, this word, I think the a word is an article, and when you see an article before a past participle, so you have to easily say that it's an adjective. Like you can say that here the article a has been used before respected word, but here he is, which means he has is a has is a helping verb. So that's why it's a verb, not an adjective. Suppose let me share you some examples. Like say that I have used an article. So that's why this word is an adjective. But in the same when I, so you can say that he has, I have used this, it's a helping verb, which means he has experience, which means he has gotten the knowledge about speaking English. But in the same way when you say that he's an experienced person, which means he's experienced in something else, perfect in something else. Adjective means quality. So that sign that he is a respected person, which means he has quality that everybody respects him. But in the same way when you say that in this sentence he has respected him, which means it's an action, not it's an adjective. One person has respected the another. So this is why I believe that you must have understood the difference between these two sentences.